How to access and use messages and discussions. You can send messages to students in your class. Students can also send messages to you or to other students in the class. You can also set up discussions for your students to take part in. Discussions allow your students to talk about other topics covered in their online course. You have the option to turn messages and discussions on or off for a class at any time. They are turned off by default. To turn them on, sign in using your Oxford ID username and password. Choose the Edit button next to the class you want to use messages and/or discussions for, then choose the Class Communication button. Click on the toggle button to show discussions and show messages if you want to use these features with your class. The Messages and Discussions buttons will then be visible in the toolbar on the left. To send a message to your students, choose the class name, then choose Messages on the left. Select New Message, then choose Add, and choose the students you want to send your message to. Enter a subject for your message. Type your message. To change the formatting of all or part of your message, choose Format at the bottom of the screen. Then choose from the options. To attach a file to your message, choose Attach at the bottom of the screen. Then find the file on your computer. You can attach files up to the maximum file size of 10 megabytes. When you have finished your message, choose Send in the bottom right corner. As a teacher, you can see all messages sent within your class, including messages between students, and you can delete them if needed. To do this, choose Moderator. Choose a message from the list to see the full message. Click the Delete button if you want to delete it. To set up a discussion with your class, select the class, then select Discussions on the left to start or view the discussion. There are two types of discussion for most courses: class threads and course threads. To add a new discussion, select New Thread. Starting a discussion thread is much like sending a message to your students. Enter a subject for your discussion. Type your message. To change the formatting of all or part of your message, select Format at the bottom of the screen, then select from the options. To attach a file to your message, select Attach, then find the file on your computer. You can attach files up to the maximum file size of 10 megabytes. When you're finished, select Send to post your discussion thread. To view your students' discussions, select the type of thread you'd like to see, then select a thread. To add to a thread, select Add Comment in the bottom right corner. As a teacher, you can also delete any discussion thread by clicking on the Delete button within the thread. Need more help? Click the Help icon in your online practice website, or you can send us an email, eltpractice@oup.com.